朱科，我又来了。
你们好。
我的同学佳诺想了解一下咱们的南水北调工程，所以今天我带他来到了咱们水利枢纽。
你们跟我来。将长江流域的水调到黄河有30多米的高程，南水北调就是利用电动机带动水泵，将电能转化为机械能，将低位水调至高位，完成输送，所以电路差错出不得。2023年，江都水利枢纽进行了智能化泵带建设，点击一次鼠标可以实现一座大型泵带智能调度、控制运用，并且可以长期保证工程高效、安全、稳定的运行。
Only clear water can be sent to the north. This is Sanjiang Yin, the water intake of the East Road of South to North Water Diversion Project. In order to achieve zero pollution on the Yangtze River shoreline of Sanjiang Yin water source area, illegal docks, shipyards, and enterprises have been dismantled. Also, aquaculture ponds, water restaurants, and other facilities have been banned.
From the current scene we see today, it's hard to imagine what the place used to be like.
乙跟我们可以讲讲以前这边是什么样的吗？
我们小时候，这个是一片江滩，之前放了个小船厂。后来呢，就是我国呢，就是长江大保护，把这一块呢，我们政府呢就把这一块呢，就打造一个世纪公园，一直保持到现在这个状况。现在我们江里面水清了，我们经常在这边看到江能又出来了。
Sanjiang Yin we see today has transformed shipyard into parks and fish ponds into wetlands. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, in fact, it is not only the north that benefits from the Eastern Road project. As the clear water flows northward, the cities and the villages along the road also receive nourishment. At the same time, the ecological environment of rivers and lakes has also recovered. It has brought enormous overall benefits.